Well, Dick, this is an absolutely wild-looking machine. I saw you cruising in, and I got to say you had me stumped. I had no idea what this was. What is it?
It's a Dawri Conquest, made in the 50s.
Really?
I think it started about 57, 58 through 62 in Long Beach, California.
So did you buy a complete car, or was this one of these where you'd buy the body and you'd lay it on something?
You buy the body and you lay it on. The body came about $499. You would find it in one of the racing magazines on the back page, and you could buy the body.
Well, there's a couple other companies that did that. And people would put them on like 56 Chevys and just any running gear they could, basically, right?
Right.
This is wild. I love the color scheme too. It's kind of a black cherry and a silver combo.
Right.
Nice.
Actually, we put it on, and it makes the car longer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, I've got a 38 with the same scheme. We put it on and it makes it smaller.
Well, such a great swept windshield. What was this off of?
That basically is a 58 Chevy pickup upside down.
Seriously?
Yep.
I can see it now, actually. Well, that 58 Chevy pickup sure is a pretty stand-up windshield, but you put it upside down, you get this beautiful sweep.
Right.
Oh man, you've redone all this, right? This isn't sitting on a 56 Chev or something.
No,
what's it on?
Well, it's basically our race chassis. We were racing at the time, and it's got a pintle front clip. It's a box frame with a 9-inch forward rear end.
Gosh. So you've made it thoroughly modern.
Yes.
And then you had to completely redo this interior too, right?
Right. Basically, everything came plywood. The firewall was a plywood. The seats underneath were plywood. There was only one gauge, and that was the speedometer.
So you had this all custom built, all fiberglass, I'm assuming?
It was all fiberglass.
Oh man, it's fantastic. And then these just bizarre lines back here too. What are the taillights?
Taillights come out of a '64 Pontiac. And basically what it came with was one like a Cadillac, a big long
59
one.
Caddies?
Yeah.
I don't think I'd like that.
No, that's kind of ugly.
It didn't work. So I heard you rumbling in here. You got something under the hood that's fairly healthy.
It just, we've got a small block 327 race application engine.
Great engine, I love that. Can we look at it?
Sure.
Now you said it's kind of a two-man job on the hood?
Yes, it is.
I'll take this side.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, for fiberglass, that's pretty heavy.
Well, it's 1958 fiberglass, and some of it's real thick, and some of it's
really
real thin.
Wow, and boy, you can pretty much see it all. I like how you've got the radiator canted forward there.
That's basically a race application.
And then tube frame. It's full race.
We could change the shocks in it, and we can change the tires and go racing. But I think there's only 5 of them registered in the West, so
probably don't want to do that.
I don't think I want to do that.
Let's close it back down, man. Wow. What a car. And you're local. You're from Klamath Falls.
I'm from Klamath Falls.
Unbelievable. Well, I tell you, a 59 Dawri Conquest.
Right.
I've never seen one. You educated me today.
Well, thanks for coming to our show.
Great to be here, man. I love it.